Bakit ganito? Bakit ang bagal ko? Ba't parang ang bigat ng bawat hakbang? Dati kaya ko to ah. Dati ang bilis ko. Ano nangyari sa akin? Kasalanan ko to. Pinabayaan ko sarili ko. Walang training. Tapos umaasa akong mananalo. Paano kung nag-effort ako? Sa mga salitang yun, doon nagsimula ang una kong hakbang. Mabigat, mabagal, halos sumuko pa nga ako. Nagsimula akong gumalaw. Nagsimula akong magkaroon ng disiplina. Nagsimula akong maging aktibo, hindi dahil kailangan, kundi dahil gusto ko na magbago. At ngayon, naiintindihan ko na. Hindi masama ang magbago. Masama lang kung tatanggapin mo na hanggang doon na lang. At ngayon, narito ako. Mas natatag, mas disiplinado, mas handang lumaban. Hindi ako naging aktibo dahil kailangan. Naging aktibo ako dahil gusto kong patunayan sa sarili ko na kaya kong magbago. At sa bawat hakbang na ginagawa ko ngayon, alam kong papalapit ako sa tagumpay na matagal ko nang inaasam. Dating tamad, ngayon, determinado. At balang araw, tagumpay ang magiging pangalan ko.
Physical fitness is the ability to perform daily tasks with energy and without excessive fatigue. It allows us to live longer, healthier, and more productively. Physical fitness has two major components. First, health-related fitness, and the second is the skill-related fitness. Let's take a closer look.
Health-related fitness is all about how well your body can perform everyday activities efficiently. It includes cardiovascular endurance, which is how effectively your heart and lungs work together. Muscular strength, or the amount of force your muscles can produce. Muscular endurance, which tells us how long your muscle can sustain effort. Flexibility, or the range of motion in your joints. And body composition, the balance between fat and muscles in your body. Maintaining these components helps you stay strong, healthy, and active every day.
Meanwhile, skill-related fitness is your ability to perform specific physical activities efficiently. It includes agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. Here are some exercises that focus on skill-related fitness. Before exercising, always remember to warm up. It prepares your muscles and prevents injuries. After your workout, cool down to relax your body and improve recovery. Warm up and cool down are important because they help your body adjust safely before and after physical activity. Remember, consistency is a key. A few minutes every day can make a big difference.